Today we're checking out an awesome 1962 Chevy Impala Restomod. This is one of the more badass Impalas I think we've had in. It's snowing today, so we're not gonna take it down the road, but when I drove this thing before, you know, well, of course the power, the sound, but even the way that 4-speed shifter feels, the clutch, it's just ready to go.
Yeah, this is a very high-end car, 4-wheel disc brakes. Just look at all the jewelry under the hood. I mean, what a nice detail there, huh?
Yeah, 454, also has air conditioning, which I know is important to a lot of you guys. Headers, and great sounding dual exhaust.
410 horse. This motor was completely gone through and dynoed at 410 horse, all done in the last year. Very, very professionally built. And just look at the paint on the firewall, bottom of the hood, inner fenders, and nothing but chrome under there. All serpentine belt system, chrome valve covers. Very, very, very professionally done. Even chrome, look at that, chrome horns. Isn't that crazy on both sides?
They didn't mess around.
No, they didn't.
Also has 4-wheel disc brakes.
Absolutely gorgeous bright work, glass. I mean, it's a show car through and through. I don't know when the paint job was done. It was done a few years ago, and it's been driven a little bit, so nothing's perfect. But I'll tell you what, it's damn close. The front bumper, grille, headlight surrounds are gorgeous. Check out that gap, front to back. Back of the hood's excellent. Cowl is great. There's a couple tiny little chips right on the edge of that fender here. You're not fooling nobody, not with this low stance and that 454 emblem, but check out that stance. I mean, it is just, it's one of those cars, if you had a 62, most people are gonna want just as perfect. It's a perfect stance, perfect look.
And I like how the exhaust comes out the sides there too, just like it should.
Drilled and slotted rotors. Love the choice of wheels, kind of those Corvette wheels. Bottom of the front fender fits in here very nicely. And we moved this Impala from one showroom to the next. So it's just got a couple little, these aren't chips here, just a couple little spots from moving it from each showroom. Door on the passenger side fits absolutely perfect, front and back. Bottom of the quarter is excellent. As we go up and over the wheel well, just beautiful workmanship there. Rear quarter, it's all awesome here. As you look up and down the side, laser straight body, beautiful SS trim. Back bumper's all been re-chromed as well. Trunk lid fits really, really nicely. All the trim, tail lights, all that's been replaced. Glass has been lightly tinted here. It's got nice kicker 6x9s in the back. Package tray, top of the back seat's nice. Roof is excellent. As Dalton opened the door there, the console light comes on. Both of the lights under the dash come on, and both of the lights on the rear sail panel work as well. Back seat, door panels, front and back are excellent. It's got a chrome tilt column, super sport wheel, digital dash, which we'll get to, stereo system, vintage air. What more do you want in a 1962 Impala Super Sport? Rubbers are new. Corner of the door right there, you can see is excellent. No body filler anywhere there. It's got seat belts in the front. Chrome around the seats are nice. Seat themselves are really nice as well. Love that 4-speed shifter. You got any comments on this one, Big D?
I just like it. Like I said, I'm almost, I wish it was spring because I'd love to take this thing out and burn the rubber. It sounds great. And man, I'd like to see what that 410 horsepower feels like.
I mean, this is an ultimate big boy car right here, 1962 Impala Super Sport Restomod. Big block, 410 horsepower, laser straight, awesome stance. And also one other thing that we forgot to mention, go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. Make sure you look at the undercarriage photos on this, super solid. And that's the main thing. You got to start with a really good solid product, and this one is. So the wheel well is nice. Door sticks out just a little bit on the very bottom. They're not really nice gap here. Same thing where the fender and the door meet. That body line's awesome. Front of the door is great. Bottom of the fender is excellent. It's a really nice car. All new rubbers, door stops. Corner of the door is excellent. Door panel is beautiful. Door jamb paint's nice. Striker's all good. What a quality car. Kind of go through what works and what don't. Horn works.
I love that.
Oh, geez. This is just another aspect of the car that's just amazing.
Here, I can take that.
Will you?
So you can fire it up. Tack
That's
works
how
in
nice
those gauges.
and easy it starts too, huh?
That sound is awesome.
Oil pressure is 85 pounds at an idle, and temperature gauge is working too. It's at 98 right now. Fuel gauge at 74%, volts at 14.4, tax at 960 RPM. Speedometer will work.
It's got a nice dual radio.
Gives you a bit of
That
air and
works.
heat. Works great.
And then put your foot on the clutch and just show them how nicely it goes in and out of gear and stuff too. The shifter's got good
Oh, wow,
synchros in
it's
it.
tight, isn't
It is.
it?
It feels great.
Close ratio. Very close. See it?
A nice clutch too. Nice stiff clutch.
Reverse, lockout. Nice. The only thing I don't know, the wipers aren't working. Headlights all work. Like I said, all the dome lights work, everything like that. The only thing that's not working right now is the wipers. It's something we'll definitely fix for our customers.
Awesome Impala. Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.